Good morning, everyone. My name is Wasim Durrani. I am the director of Edifico Tech Private Limited and Live by Smart Solutions. In Edifico, we are into trainings, so wherein like we are providing the training into different domains to the professional as well as to the students. And in the Live by Smart Solutions, we are into providing the different solutions related to softwares, related to IoT, and related to electronics, rather embedded systems. So we have been come across with different types of a requirement of the you can say industry or the different clients wherein they are demanding the innovative projects these days. And since the IoT has come up, or the industrial IoT, which is IoT Revolution 4.0, so there is a huge demand of this automated things. And today I'm here to give you the brief about the electric vehicles. See, if I talk about the electric vehicle business in the coming 4 to 5 years, it is going to be a very huge, as in the demand of the electric vehicles is right now increasing at a very rapid pace. Almost each and every big companies in the automotive industries are being researching in their cars and incorporating the hybrid technologies, wherein the different sort of engines have the capability of running it along with the battery. So they have designed innovative type of a battery as well as innovative type of a motor, which have the tendency to consume less power and give you the more torque, so that they can provide a complete drivetrain or powertrain for your electric vehicle to move properly. And if I talk about the prospects of the electrical engineers in the electric vehicle domain, so it's a very huge scope, because totally the drive of your car or any of the automotive product is basically based on the batteries. So nowadays, if you talk about how to actually convert that 24 volt DC or the 12 volt DC, and how to run the motor with the help of that particular battery, so there is a demand of like knowledge of having the BLDC motor with a complete control strategy designing of it. And if I talk about the battery, so what are the different type of batteries available, and how you can convert that battery power into the power which can be used to fed to the motor, so that motor runs in a very smooth manner. And in that, in between, there is a complete control system which you're supposed to design to run everything in a smooth manner. So to have all these knowledge, what you have to do is you have to first grasp the basics of each and everything as an electrical engineer. What are the converter technologies, what are the inverter technologies, how we can actually design the different components of the power electronics, or utilize the component of the power electronics to design the converter, wherein we can have a smooth DC source or smooth DC voltage. And secondly, like if I want to convert it into a AC, so that it can be fed directly to the BLDC motor, how we can design that control strategy, wherein whenever there is a demand of converting the DC voltage into AC and then after that into DC, so what is that technology known as? So for that, you should get inside the knowledge of the power electronics, the component of the power electronics, like your IGBTs, your thyristors, your MOSFETs, and how we can write the control strategies for those. So if you convert that basics, plus first you can do the simulations, wherein like you have a battery, you have a converter technology, and then you have a BLDC motor, and then you have a motor. So you can do the simulation in the MATLAB environment, and after completing the simulation, after having all the outputs in a desired manner, you can decide to actually convert that thing into a you can insert that complete technology into the real car. So first there has to be a step-by-step approach. First approach is to simulate all the things. After grasping the knowledge of the book, then you should start simulating those things in the MATLAB simulation. And after completing those simulations, what you can do, you can start taking that project as like, I want to convert this car, say for example Maruti 800 car or Omni car, into a complete electrical vehicle, and can show the efficiency of the same. So these are some of the concepts that you can use, because now in the coming near future, like 5 year or 10 years, the compounded annual growth of the electric vehicle would be like more than 60% or the 70%. So there will be all everywhere you might see the electric vehicle going on. The infrastructure of the charging stations, are the government is into process of design to develop that, and everywhere you might see the charging stations. So the day is not far wherein like you see the electric vehicles everywhere, and as you get the petrol stations everywhere, you will get the charging stations everywhere. So these are some of the things which are inside the technology right now. So if we grasp that particular opportunity now, and we get ourselves into complete knowledge of it, and then grasp all the knowledge of it, then we can have a good chance of attaining or taking that particular opportunity in the coming future. See, 2020 is all gone because of the coronavirus. So what we can plan is like in this 2020, the remaining part of the year, we can enhance ourselves in this particular technology. In the 2021, we can actually start implementing the projects on it. So this was the, you can say, a glimpse of the electric vehicle. Thank you so much, and hope you are enjoying the FDP program which is happening on this electric vehicle only. Thank you so much.